From where did Lord Buddha receive the enlightenment?
Bodh Gaya.
In which city was the first metro rail service introduced in India?
Kolkata.
How many countries are members of SAARC? 8 countries. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives,
Nepal,
Pakistan and Sri Lanka. How is the intensity of sound measured? Decibel scale. How many islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar? 572 islands. What is the ancient name of Assam?
Kamarupa.
Which country is the world's largest milk producer? India. What is related to Blue Revolution? Production of fish. Which game is related to Yogeshwar Dutt and Sushil Kumar? Wrestling. Who is known as the Black Pearl of football? Pelé. Which Mughal emperor fell from the stairs of the library in Delhi and died? Emperor Humayun. What is the script for Punjabi language?
Gurmukhi.
Who gave the slogan of Inklab Zindabad?
Maulana Hasrat Mohani.
Who was the first woman governor of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
World's Red Cross Day is celebrated on which date? May 8th. Who first called Gandhi as father of nation?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Where is the International Court of Justice located? The Hague, Netherlands. Which breed of buffalo is famous in Haryana? Murrah buffalo. When did Goa become free from Portuguese rule? The 19th of December 1961. What should be the minimum age for becoming a Panchayat member? 21 years of age. What is the color of the black box in an airplane? Orange. Where is Vivekananda Rock Memorial located?
Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu.
Where are red blood cells formed? Bone marrow. Kuchipudi dance is associated with which state?
Andhra Pradesh.
Who was the first person to receive the Nobel Prize twice? Madame Marie Curie.